I'll go over how I make Hong Kong coffee tea. This is a drink that I like to make, especially if I have a long work day ahead of me or a lot of studying to do. And it's just like it sounds, it's a mix of coffee and tea. So I just call it Hong Kong coffee tea, but I've heard of people calling it yin yang tea or other terms, but that's what I've always called it. So the ingredients that you're going to need is pretty simple. You're going to need some good high quality black tea like I have here. And then you're also going to want some good quality coffee beans. I just got some from a local shop. You could also probably use oolong tea, but I just go with black tea since it's more of a better flavor combination with coffee, I find. You will want to put the tea into a teapot and just brew it for around 5 minutes or so, depending on the strength that you like. In terms of the coffee for this drink, I usually go for a more lighter or medium roast. I'm not a big dark roast fan, and I'll just grind up quite a bit of coffee. In terms of the grind size, I do more of a fine grind, since we are going to be brewing this in a pour over method. So I just brew the coffee using the pour over method. There's many different ways you could just brew your coffee, but this is what I like doing the most. I think it has the best flavor, especially for this drink. Once I'm done brewing the coffee, I'll add some sweetened condensed milk to it. I do about 2 tablespoons or so. You can add more or less depending on the sweetness level that you like. Then I give it a good stir, and if it doesn't mix very well, you could also use a little handheld blender like I have here in the video. Alright, so once we're done mixing and the tea is done brewing, we'll pour the other half of the container with black tea.